Guys, we are here in McKinley West. So right beside me is Park McKinley West. So today we are going to turn over a one-bedroom unit which I sold few years back. And they settled the turnover balance through bank financing or bank loan, which is very practical and I highly recommend. So today is the perfect time to show you the actual deliverables of the unit. If you are buying a pre-selling condo, turnover is one of the most exciting part because you finally get to see the finished unit you purchased years ago. But this is also when you need to be very detailed. Before we go inside, let me show you the lobby here at Park McKinley West. As you can see, it's spacious and elegant. We also have 12 elevators, 6 per tower, which is pretty good considering each tower is only 25 floors. Now, let's go inside and check the unit. Since it's rainy season, one of the first thing I look for is any sign of water leaks, especially on the ceilings. Then, we check the flooring, walls, and overall finishing for scratches, crack, stains, or anything that needs to be touched up. We also test the doors and windows to make sure everything opens, closes, and locks properly. For the kitchen, we check the cabinets, drawers, countertop, sink, faucet, and other fixtures. Then, we move to the bathroom. Test the water, drainage, toilet, shower, and check for water leaks. And lastly, the air conditioning unit. Make sure everything is working and cooling properly. My advice during turnover is simple. Don't rush. Test everything and document anything that needs to be fixed. Take photos and videos to make sure all issues are included in the turnover punch list. It's always better to have the developer fix these things before you officially accept the unit. Okay, so we're done checking the unit. Now, let's take a look at the common areas and amenities. One of the things I always tell to my clients is that when you are buying a condo, don't just look at the unit. You also have to look at the entire development. And most importantly, think about whether you can actually see yourself living here. Because you're not just buying the unit, you're buying the lifestyle and the convenience that comes with the location. You're just one elevator ride away from MegaWorld's upcoming mall. Right now, there are only few stores operating. But once the mall is fully developed, we can expect more retail shops, restaurants, supermarkets, and other services to open. And this is exactly why location is so important when investing in real estate. You're not just investing in the unit itself, you're also investing in the convenience, accessibility, and future development surrounding the property. Good morning, guys! We're heading out for a coffee run in Makati. This is also a perfect opportunity for me to show you how accessible Park McKinley West to BGC and Makati. So right now, we are here in McKinley Road, which you can see on my side, it's Forbes Park Village already. So if you go straight from here, it will bring you to Ayala or the heart of Makati. But today, we are heading on the other way toward the Rockwell area to catch up with some of our friends and grab some coffee. And we are back. So now, we are going back to McKinley West. And right now, we are here on EDSA, which is one of the main road of Metro Manila that will connect us to different areas. If you go straight from here, it will connect us to the southern part, which is International Airport, Pasay, or even Cavite. And on the other side, it will connect us to the northern part like Quezon City, Bulacan, and even Nueva Ecija, which is my hometown. So that's one of the things I like about this location. You're not just close to BGC and Makati. You also have convenient access to major roads that connect you to different parts of Metro Manila and nearby provinces. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. We started the day here in McKinley West, did an actual unit turnover and inspect, check out the amenities, and then took the MX-5 out for breakfast and coffee run with the Miyata Club. And I think that's what makes this channel different. It's not just about real estate, it's not just about cars, it's about the things I actually do in my everyday life. If you are interested in Park McKinley West or you just want to know more about the units here, just send me a message. And if you are into cars and Miatas as well, make sure you subscribe because we'll definitely have more car content coming. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!